Hi guys, this is the Python series part 28. Now let's discuss about the exception handling. Okay, what is exception? Exception is nothing but an error, that is an abnormal condition in the program. Okay, in order to avoid the disruption in the flow of the program, we have to implement the exception handling. Why we need exception handling? I repeat it again. In order to avoid the disruption of the flow of the program, we have to implement the exception handling using try except block. Okay. Otherwise, the interpreter does not execute all the code that exists after that exception. Got it? Let's see this example. Here I have created three variables A, B and C. Here I have used the input method to get the input from the user during the execution of the program. And I have implemented the typecasting process to convert the string value into the integer. Likewise the B variable. And the division of A and B will be stored inside the C variable. And with the help of the print method, I try to print the C value on my console. Okay, and this code is the rest of the code. Now let me execute this one. Enter A value 4, B value 2. Now there is no exception. So there is no disruption in the flow of the program. We got the output. Okay, A divided by B is equal to 2. Okay, the result is 2. And the rest of the code is also printed here. Okay, let me execute this program again. Okay, now I give value A is 4 and B is 0. Now what will happen? Here 4 divided by 0 gives infinity, isn't it? That is, what error we will get? Division by 0 error. Okay, so what is this? This is the runtime error. Okay, so in order to avoid this error, what we will do? We have to implement the exception handling using the try and except block. Okay, and see here, this rest of the code is also affected due to the error which is raised inside this statement, isn't it? Here this is the small program, so we have only a single statement. But if we do big project, means we have so many lines. After the exception, all the lines will be affected. Okay, in order to avoid this disruption in the flow of the program, we have to implement the exception handling using the try except block like this. Okay, here I have implemented the exception handling try and except block. Okay, this is the inbuilt exception class. Okay, here I have the same code like the previous example. Okay, but here I have used the except block. If any error is occurred inside this try block, means this except block is responsible to handle the error which is raised inside the try block. So the runtime error will be avoided. Okay, now let me execute this one. Here enter A value 4 and B value 2. Now there is no error, isn't it? So 4 divided by 2 is 2 only and there is no error. Okay, I just execute the same again. A value is 4 but B value is 0. What will happen? Now we will get the runtime error. Okay, but in this example I have implemented the try except. Okay, so we can avoid the runtime error with the help of this try except block. Here I have used the inbuilt exception class arithmetic error. Okay, Now, what is the result? Cannot divide with 0. Okay. So, this except block is responsible to handle the runtime error. So, we have to place the suspicious code inside the try block. Okay. This try block might throw exception. If this try block is raised the error, means this except block catch and handle the error which is raised inside the try block. I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. Okay, so if we implement this exception handling, means the rest of the code won't be affected. This is our main intention. Due to any particular error, rest of the code won't be affected with the help of this try except block. What is the usage of exception handling in order to avoid the disruption in the flow of the program? We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.